Assalamualaikum. I am Tanzim Tabassum. My ID is 20101629. This is my 470 project, which is Tanzim's Book House, which is a library management system. So, in this sector, there are two parts. One is member login, another is librarian login. In the member login, we need to register at first to log, and the library login, we need to log in through a admin. So now I will log in this sector. After the login part is complete, we can see there are so many features. In first feature, which is the insert new book record, we can see new book details. We can add a new book details in this sector. So for adding a new book, we need to put ISBN number, book title, author name, category. We can choose a price and the number of copies, and after we press this button, we can add a new book details. So for the next feature, update copies of a book, we can update a book number of copies through a ISBN number. We need to put a ISBN number and the number of copies we want to update. For delete book records, we can see there are so many books in this sector. If we want to delete this name reminders of him, we can press the remove button and the book is removed from this chart, and the chart is updated, and we can see the reminders of him has been removed, and this is the new chart of the books which will be available in this feature. So in next feature, the managing pending book request, user can request a book and the librarian or the admin can accept the pending book request. And in manage pending member request, a user need to register, and librarian can log in. For update balance of a member, at first a member need to update the balance. So we will see the balance will be updated of this user. And in the next feature, which is today's reminder, in this feature we will see there are lefted reminders or not. So this is the librarian part. For member login, we need to at first register if you are not already registered in this sector. So at first we will register. So for register, we will use this name and the Gmail and a username, which is Rabbit, and we will use a password which is 12345 and a balance of it. So after submitting it, a librarian will accept the pending request of a member. So see, after confirmation, the member is added. So this member can log in. 12345. Now this member can see all the books, and the balance of his is 34000, and he can request for a book which is Feluda. So in the database part, we will update, or we can see the updated of this, and see there is a new member which is Rapid, and the balance is 3400. And there is a librarian part, which was the admin, the book issues, which was issues and the request pending and the registration part. So in the member part, and these are the books. So we want to edit a new book, which is this one. So I will edit this ISBN name, the category, the price, and the number of copies. So after updating it, we can see the artist book is in this sector, and if we reload this, we will see the artist book is available in this sector. So in the code part, we can see a CSS where the style, font, and color has been designed, the database file, the librarian. In the librarian sector, we can delete, display, and updating, verifying librarian database, and the member sector we can register the home page and the verifying part. The verifying part is and in the insert book PHP, we want to update a category. So for updating a category, we will see how the updating is happening. So I have been update a category, so we will see the category have been updated or not. In the category sector, we can see the science fiction has been added. So this was from my part. Thank you.